Okay, those are the dualies that are going to end up on the old machine, on the diesel I mean. Okay, now this thing here, make sure that I don't have anything loose on the drive system, I don't think. Well, I'll know if something comes flying at me and hits me. Did you lose your prime? Nope. I'll just tell someone it's meant to be like that. Oh, a little bit close back. Oh yeah, this one has brakes. I can actually stop where I need to stop, hey? I just got a few more machines to put here and I'd have them all in a lineup, hey? I think I got a few garden tractors. Oh, well, it runs. Started up after 2 or 3 pulls, so yeah, but no transaxle. And yeah, that's not too bad. So the idea is now is I'm going to take the dualies off that guy, and I'm just deciding what I want to put on it after. I can't put these ones on it because I had to bash the fenders, so I'll probably take these guys right here and put these onto it. And again, I can't put the dualies, or I can't put the ultra wides on here, so I just put the Bolins in the tent shed. Maybe I should have left the Bolins out, because those tires would have fit the Bolins nicely and they would have been perfect for grass cutting if I ever decide to put the mower deck on the Bolins. I gotta kind of decide. Wow, that just about doesn't fit. A little close to the inside frame rail, but yeah, she's going to fit. Man, does this thing have a solid axle, hey? We'll see. It did some pretty good damage to this old wheel here. Look at this, from having the nuts, I guess, loose. 1, 2, 3 of them shot. And those are still good tires, so I might switch them over to a better rim because I got tons of spare rims. Whew, she's bright. Left everything out of here, all the tools out here, hoping that by the time I got back out here it would have rained, but nope, that's not going to happen. Okay, so those tires are on. I can let you jack down. Thinking still I'm going to take the snowblower off her, no point in leaving that on it, and go from there. And of course decide what tires I'm going to put back on here. I'm still thinking the exact same set on that. Not too sure, because one of those rims that came off the Bolins is actually pretty screwed up. Look at these lugs here. They were looser. You see that? Yeah. So, while I'm doing this, I'm going to look and see if I can find my spare hub, because that one there's a little stripped out. Not too sure yet. I don't know, this one here's the old style too. That's also the old style on that. 1, 2, 3 old styles. So I do got the transmission that's split in half. That's buried in the tent shed. That's where I'll get it from, I guess. And stupid me wasn't thinking that if I would have just put this over there and switched the tires, I could have actually welded up the transaxle better than the booger welds that are currently on it. Yeah, that kind of sucks. I should have really thought about that. Yeah, Bobby, it seems like she spins them easy now. And they both spin at the same time, which is pretty sweet. Well, I guess I'm going to take the snowblower off her now. No point of leaving the snowblower on her. I won't fit them all in the shed, but the snowblower on it. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using that anymore. Yeah, those wide tires get some pretty good grip, that's for sure. but enough that it sinks in actually pretty good when I step on it, hey? A little close to the frame, but I mean, looks a lot better, that's for sure. So the Bolins has the snowblower removed, thrown in here, and the ultra wides are on it. But what I'm looking for is when I blew that last transmission right in half where it actually broke the axle shaft, I need a hub off that transmission, and I swear I brought it in here somewhere, but I do not see it anywhere. That kind of sucks. I'm going to guess that it's going to be literally underneath this guy. Yeah, that's going to suck. Have to move a hell of a lot of shit to get to it. The other side is just as packed as this. Well, this is when I play I'm going to cheat. Let's see here. I'm going to look on the viewfinder. There's the old Onan 16 horsepower there. I see you see it? You see the red handle right there? In front of all these tires? Oh, look, spare set of rims and tires. Hey, that might save some time. Okay, well, hey, look, the old mouse nest that took out of the back of this. That was during the winter? Yeah. Okay, well, I see where it is. Now for the fun part of moving all this shit to get to it. Okay, so I just had this guy off. I just changed it to another hub. This hub here is in great shape. I hear another water bomb. Oh, there's one up there going by. That's not, I don't think, a water bomber, that one. It looked a little small. Some smoke. I hear helicopters. Man, it's like a freaking war going on. But the idea, hey, look at that. Only a couple little drips underneath it. Huh. Okay, so the idea for today is to put on those giant wheel weights. Someone has to guess how heavy those are, but all I can tell you is I put those two in the bucket, I sit on the seat, and the back wheels are hovering off the ground coming in here. Pretty heavy. So now I got to line it up where that is going to be center with the wheels. I got to drop one of these weights, and I'm going to use a ratchet strap hanging from the ceiling to put them on, because those are well over 100 pounds. I'm going to guess close to 150 pounds, could even be more. And if I lift the bucket any more than an inch, the wheels come off the ground. Woohoo! They spun a little bit there. Woohoo! Okay, I hope I only dropped one of them. Oh yeah, I still got, ooh, that's tippy feeling. It's over to one side, so it's very tippy. Okay. Lined up I am. Yeah, that is freaking oh, I think I just killed my ratchet strap. Ah, shit. Yeah, a little bit bent. That kind of sucks. Okay, so I pulled the hub off that transmission that last year literally grenaded. I took the hub from there, put it on this side because it was starting to strip out the old one. Somewhere I got the hub in that stub shaft. I just don't know where it is that I could have took it off of, but that transmission there is good for parts still because it was working, making zero noise until it decided it wanted to split. And I'm thinking the reason why it split is there's washers that go in between here, and there's a big kind of bearing that goes there, bearing material, sleeve you could say. I'm thinking it was probably loose on that side, not too sure. This one here, yeah, it's not bad, but I added an extra washer on that side. Never sees the shit out of everything. This side here I couldn't get an extra washer in, but that one there's a little bit tightened up a bit better, and that's the side that broke last time, so we'll see if this is going to last a little bit longer. These tires here should be changed, but for now, it's the way it's going to be ran. And again, I'm running the dualies. I'm going to be taking the chains off and going from there. Oh, and I'm going to do this the exact same way as last time. Going to wedge this guy in there and hook the strap onto it. Yeah, it'll be holding up by the friction of this being hammered in between there. Worked good last time, never let go and crushed my toes, but I do got my steel toes on, so it's not too big of a deal. Oh wait, that's from when it fell last time. So I just got it in place, put the jack under it just in case, and realized I forgot to torque the wheels. So it has to come off. Just torque that guy down. Not much tension on here. Most of it's on the jack that's now sideways from torquing the other side. That sucks. That really sucks. Well, I guess I gotta let her down slowly without crushing my balls. Okay. No slack on that. It's all on the jack. Better put down the camera. Don't need to crush another foot. Well, this side actually was torqued. But better checking it just in case, just to make sure. Because, you know, all the dualies have to ride on those. That one was a little bit loose, but I kind of figured I did one of them. Yeah. His head's really stuck, hey? Watch out it don't bite you. Oh, it's stuck on the latch, maybe? I don't know. He's gonna kill himself. It just locks itself on him. Let's watch him jump up. Yeah, he's stuck in there pretty good, eh?
There you go.
Ooh, and he did that without releasing him somehow. Now watch him just go stick his whole head in the same hole.
Probably.
Yeah. I just drowned them in a bucket. It just jumped through the cage. No, you need it in your hand, Logan, to put it into the big cage. I wouldn't let him go. Watch out, he just doesn't bite you too hard. Okay, open it up and let's see if you can get him in there before he jumps out. Probably just, oh, rock was stuck in it. Okay. Now let's get him out of the sun and see how long he stays in there. Drop. Oh, there's a lot of old food in there. Oh, look, he already found his way up. We need to do a little trap door on it.
Yeah.
It's upside down, but that's no big deal. Okay, he thinks he could put this guy in a ball without losing it. We also got a bottle for water. It's going to go in the shade after. And the idea is I'm going to drill a hole in the top and we're going to put a brick on it. Yeah, do it that way, Logan. That's why you put him in there. They can jump pretty good, so maybe he'll get his balls, you never know. They could jump right out of there like so easy. Gone. That's under the thing still. Yeah, it's gone now. We'll wait till he catches the next one. Oh, this kind of sucks. Don't think I'll get air in this tire. I should have had a steel valve cap on this guy. But then it might have just ripped out the whole stem. Yeah, that kind of sucks. But at the same time, this one actually has a little bit of air in it, so it'll probably be fine. Yeah, that sucks. I might get air in it. You never know. Well, let's see how long she's going to last. Again, took off all the chains, and I'm not going to be running a weight bin, I don't think. Maybe. That's a bitch of a lot of work. But the dualies are on, everything's solid, and we'll see how long she's going to last. Will I get a month out of her of work? Probably not. Well, I just had her out for a good shit kick, and she did good. Out of fuel pretty much now. Probably drove her back on fumes, but yeah, I'm not gonna walk over there, but I just leveled off some stuff in the front there, and everything went pretty good. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else, but I was meant to fill up the tires, but I'll do that next week. And I guess that's pretty much it for now. Be the end of this video. I mean, this probably shouldn't even made a video about this, but again, not much going on right now. That's for sure. Oh, it looks really messy right now, but this is pretty much what I did here, you can't really see before, but there used to be a huge hill right here. I'm talking about 6 inches higher than right here. And this used to be extremely low right there. So I still got to break up some of that grass. I could just take the tiller, till it up, or I can just throw it into another pit and move some other soils out here. But I think I'll probably till it. I'm not too sure yet. Also, just had a chipmunk burrowing in. Pretty sure that's where he started digging when I drove up again. I was doing this earlier, but yeah, quite a bit of stuff to get done still. And move that sidewalk block.